Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to adjust table cell width and height in Microsoft Word. So if you want to go ahead and adjust the table cell that you have onto your Microsoft Word, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, I've added a table already in here. And if you don't know how to do that, just simply click on to insert here and then click onto the table and then choose in how many rows and columns for that. So since we've added already in here, what we need to do to go ahead and adjust its height and width of each cell is we'll need to click onto any cell in here. And then right after, you should be able to see this table tools and this specific tab in here, which is called layout. So you'll just need to simply click onto that one. And then right after, you should be able to see its height and width. So you could go ahead and adjust this one just like that, and also its width. So you could go ahead manually set it. Just add in the number in there like 2 inch, and then it should go ahead and change it for you. So you'll just need to type in something like that, click on to enter, and if you want to go ahead and try to make it smaller, you could also use the up and down arrow here that you could see onto its side. So this is how you should be able to manipulate the cell size or the height and width onto the table in Microsoft Word. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.